A cooler contains 6 cans of apple juice, 8 cans of grape juice, 4 cans of orange juice, and 2 cans of mango juice. Suppose that you reach into the container and randomly select 3 cans in succession. You do not put the cans back. Find the probability of selecting a can of apple juice, then a can of grape juice, then a can of orange juice. So there are 20 total cans, and selecting one can does have an effect on the probability of selecting the next can. So these are dependent events. So the probability for apple juice is 6 out of 20. And then for grape juice will be 8 out of 19 because there are 8 cans of grape juice, but since we already took one can out, now there's only 19 cans left. And then for orange juice, this is going to be 4 over 18 because there are 4 cans of orange juice, but since we already took out 2 cans, there's only 18 cans left. So if we multiply these and reduce, we get 8 over 285. The next one says 3 cans of grape juice. So the first probability will be 8 over 20. And then we multiply by the second one, which is 7 over 19. So it's 7 over 19 because there's only 7 cans of grape juice left over 19 cans. And then the third probability is 6 over 18 because there's only 6 cans of grape juice left over 18 total cans. So we are subtracting 1 not only from the numerator but from the denominator as well. And if we multiply and reduce, we get 14 over 285.